Hi dear friends, today we are going to hit apply this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I did it. It's really pretty. It's one of the samples that I received today from Stahls. I really like it. Let me show you. It has a really nice effect. I love it. And we talk about it a little bit at the end. So I hope you guys stay with me and enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. We are going to start. I have my temperature at 300. I changed my platter to the 6x10 and I'm going to go ahead and heat press this t-shirt. This shirt, it's 58% cotton, 38% polyester and 4% spandex. So I'm using the 10x6 because I'm going to do an application on the left chest. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to open my shirt and I'm going to set it up straight. So we want a flat surface. I'm just checking to see that it's going to be aligned. And I think this is perfect. So what I'm going to be applying is one of the samples that I got from Stahls. And you can order these samples, they're free. So I'm gonna use the cut Chroma Bling. And it's this tutorial. So I'm going to put it in this corner right here. And the settings are going to be 300 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. And it's in a medium pressure and it's a warm peel. So my temperature is at 300 and I want my tutorial so I peel off my tutorial and I want it face it down. So I want to set it around here. And remember, this is my first transfer that I made on a shirt, so right there. So I'm going to put my craft paper and it comes with your sample. And we are going to heat this up for 10 seconds and it's already set up. So cross fingers, this is the first time, so everything's gonna turn out right. Okay, it's done. So far, I don't see any marks or scorching. So let's see. So let's peel it off and see what happens. Peels up really good, really easy, and love it. I don't know if you can see in camera, but it has like a really cool effect. I don't know if you can see, but I can see the scorching right here. I'm not sure. So if it's a scorch or it's just the marks, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. And like next time I'll make a video, I'll show you the shirt. So far I love it, but this is my very first shirt that I heat apply. It's really good. It looks like it's scored. I don't think it's gonna be permanent. So I'm going to wash it and I'll show you the shirt to see if that's really what is going on. But I think the other thing that I did wrong, I think I applied way too much to the left, so I think it needed to be a little bit to the center. But I mean, it's my first shirt and I think it's great to be the first shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and until next time.